Now then, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday afternoon, and my goodness, it's hot and it's humid, and the grass wants cutting again. It never ends, does it? It never ends. So I just thought that I would show you the net result of the test. As hard as iron. Damn decent. That is really good. Really good quality. I'm well pleased with that. My sewing kit's arrived. So the minute I get some time, I'm gonna get sewing. Fioretta did send me a video of somebody making a skin on frame canoe, and it's given me a really good idea. I don't know whether I can do it or not. A bit difficult, but I'm gonna give it a go, and I'm probably gonna nip to the woodyard tomorrow and buy some lengths of material. Look at that. Whilst all this timber is well treated, the termites are still burrowing out. They're not burrowing in, they're burrowing out. So the termites must have laid eggs in the bamboo a while ago, and they're coming out. It matters not, because once the fiberglass on, that's the structure. Anyway, I went out the other day. I went on the ATV, and I went for a bit of a quest to try and get around the river and find these birds' nests a little bit closer, the weaver birds. So lots of Thai countryside, lots of to-ins and fro-ins, and I'll put that on now. So enjoy it, and we'll see you later. Bye bye for now. Well, it's Saturday. It is about 1 o'clock, and I'm on the ATV, and I've got some camera kit in there. I've got a full tank of gas. I'm wearing my sunglasses. It's 5 kilometers to Bampi, so let's hit it. Well, I'm back at the location. I've been on the other side of the river following a track, but it just led to a rather splendid chocolate farm over there, and I couldn't get anywhere near. I suspect that to get over there, I've got to go on the road through that rubber plantation, and that is on our farm road, so I can try that. But at the minute, the sun is, it's about 1:30, 2 o'clock, so the sun's behind me at the moment. So I'm just going to have a wander down there, because I've got my camera and my long lens with me, so we'll just see if I can get some footage. But I really wanted to get almost underneath the tree on the other side. That's what I wanted, but we'll see. I'll get suited and get my wellies on and get down there. Well, I'm in the place I was the other day, and I'm still 50-60 yards away, so I'm not ideal, and I have to get across there. I've got to get closer. I want to be about 30 yards away, really. So that's the one the other day that was just basically a bit of a tuft. So it's been about 36-40 hours since I was here, and that little rascal has not had put some work into it. The thing that amazes me is that the strands of grass are so fine. The amount of flights that they take to go and gather and get back and weave it is just astronomical. I'm going to have a go at getting round the other side, and it might just be that if I can find out how to get around the other side, then I can come early morning as the sun's coming up, maybe about 6ish, you know, and it should be fascinating. My plan is, a lot of people have these nests as ornaments in their home, you know, where they've blown down or what have you. Somebody said that the males cut the old ones down and rebuild again the year after. I don't know about that, but I'm going to acquire one, and then with the macro lens we can have a real close-up look at the workmanship, and then we can cut it in half lengthways and look at the chamber and look at how everything's done. I think that'll be fascinating. So just gonna give this another minute here, because there is a fair bit of activity there. I hope we're in focus. As I said, it's such a distance I can't really tell, and it's windy, very windy. Well, this is plan B, not the bottle of water, but I couldn't really get on the other side of I couldn't find out to get on the other side of the river. So this is a road that runs quite parallel to our farm road, but on the opposite side of the river. It doesn't go anywhere down near I want it to do, but there might be some of the same birds on this road, and this road loops round and goes back into the bottom end of our village. you're not going to believe this. There's a couple of trees with these weaver bird nests in now on this road. But would you believe they're on the other side of the river? I've come round to this side. Mind, I don't think I can get round to that side, in all honesty. So I'm just as far off. But I'm on the right track, I think. So we'll go a bit farther. Well, I don't know what that says, but I'm going to ask May, because this place intrigues me. It's about 15 Rai. It's on the back road of the village. It's powered with solar. It's got good roads, it's got water, it's got a host of vegetables and fruits planted. I mean, you would think it was a restaurant or something, but it's out in the bundus. But a fantastic place, love it. Well, these guys love to lie in the mud, don't you? Oh yes, it's well comfortable. Yeah? Yeah. And that one's looking at me. Trying to smell. And they make a funny noise. They don't moo like a cow, it's more like a it's a weird noise. Anyway, there you go. We're towards the back end of our village now, and here's some land for sale. Well, we didn't find them. We failed miserably, but we had a good trip round. And we did find them, but on the other side of the river. And when we crossed over to the other side of the river and progressed on, we found some more on the other side. Anyway, we will find them. May and I have spotted another colony of them, which looks a little bit simpler to get to. So there's just one cornfield separate going from the road, so I know where they are, and I can probably get close enough with that colony. Now then, it's getting windy, it's humid, and I think we're going to get some rain this afternoon. And as you know, we moved the fountain into the shade and the bird table into the shade. Ali thought that we'd probably have more success if the birds had more cover. I don't know. So far, no, not at all. But it doesn't matter. I saw about an hour ago a tiny little bird, and it was a type of wren, I suspect. Lovely little thing, smaller than your thumb. Anyway, I'm going. Hope you enjoyed that. And what will be the next video? I haven't a clue. Probably back on the canoe. See you later. Bye bye for now.